Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to remove your headphones Skullcandy Rail from the application. As you can see, if I open the application, I have my headphones and I have two options how to remove it. I can go to Settings and click on Disconnect Headphones and Unlink Headphones. Or I can also go to Settings, then Bluetooth or Connected Devices if you have Android, then Information icon or Settings icon. Forget this device, forget device. And now, if I go to the application, I will lose it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.